learning outcomes. By the end of this video, you will understand AI's ethical challenges in areas like bias, transparency, and privacy. Explore relatable real-world examples of AI ethical dilemmas. Learn practical steps for ensuring AI development aligns with fairness and accountability. AI is everywhere, helping doctors diagnose diseases, powering self-driving cars, and even deciding who gets a job. But with all this power comes responsibility. Today, we'll explore the ethical challenges of AI, real-life examples of its risks, and how we can shape a better future together. 1. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they're trained on. For example, a bank's AI system denies a loan because historical data shows a specific demographic has higher default rates. This happens not because the person is unqualified, but because the data is biased. Facial recognition technology misidentifies people of color more often than white individuals, leading to wrongful arrests in law enforcement. The solution? Train AI on diverse datasets to reduce bias and ensure fairness. 2. Transparency and explainability. Ever used a service and wondered, why did it reject my request? That's the challenge with AI systems being black boxes. For instance, an AI used in hiring rejects a resume because it doesn't match certain keywords, but no one can explain why those keywords were prioritized. In criminal justice, an AI predicts someone might reoffend, but judges can't understand how it reached that conclusion. To build trust, AI decisions need to be explainable, so users and developers know how they work. 3. Privacy and security. AI thrives on data, our data. But what happens when it's used without our consent? For example, a facial recognition system in a shopping mall tracks your movements to target ads without asking you. Or an AI analyzing health data gets hacked, exposing sensitive medical records. Protecting privacy is critical to prevent misuse and maintain public trust. 4. AI in the workplace. Automation is reshaping jobs, but it's also creating challenges. Think of a factory where robots replace assembly line workers. While productivity increases, many employees are left without jobs. In customer service, chatbots replace call center workers, leaving them to find new roles. To address this, companies must invest in retraining programs so employees can adapt to the changing job market. 5. Autonomous weapons. AI is also transforming warfare, but not without risks. Imagine a drone making decisions to attack targets without human oversight. What happens if it misinterprets its mission? This highlights the need for international treaties to ensure human control over autonomous weapons. 6. AI and social justice. AI isn't neutral, it reflects the biases in its data. A predictive policing AI sends more officers to neighborhoods with a history of crime, disproportionately targeting minority communities. An education AI gives higher scores to students from wealthy schools because they've historically performed better. To combat this, we need to ensure AI systems promote fairness and inclusivity. Building a responsible AI future. Shaping ethical AI requires teamwork. Tech developers must design AI systems that prioritize fairness and transparency. Governments must create regulations, like the EU's GDPR, to protect data and reduce bias. The public must stay informed and participate in open discussions about AI's impact. Key takeaways. 1. Bias exists in AI. For example, loan approvals and facial recognition can unfairly discriminate. Diverse datasets can reduce this. 2. Transparency matters. If decisions like job rejections or criminal predictions can't be explained, trust erodes. 3. Privacy is essential. AI systems must protect sensitive data, like health records or facial recognition data. 4. Jobs will change. Automation displaces workers, investing in retraining is critical. 5. Collaboration is key. Developers, governments, and the public must work together to create fair AI systems. 6. Regulation is urgent. Autonomous weapons must have human oversight to avoid catastrophic misuse.